This week's feature product is a titan among garbage bins, literally. Check out the Titan waste containers from M2 Professional. While you might not think a trash can could be anything special, you'd be mistaken. The contoured handles are shaped to properly fit the hand with additional dimple grips, improving lifting and handling. They're also equipped with M2's patented eye-hole bag cinches, which prevent bags from falling into the bin. No more yucky hands when trying to tie it together. The simple, seamless design has dirty environments in mind as well, specifically shaped to make cleaning a breeze. And don't worry about breaking the bin when you gotta drag it over to the dumpster, as the base is reinforced to handle whatever ground you take it on. Still wary of dragging it around? M2 thought of you, offering an optional dolly to let you smoothly roll them around. And once you've got to pour the trash into said dumpster, you'll find 2 handholds built into the bottom, making it much easier to lift and gives you a better grip to ensure it doesn't slip out of your hands. They come in 3 sizes: 75 liter, 121 liter, and 166 liters, with lids available as add-ons for each one. And while the price might seem too good to be true, you can toss in your empty double-doubles and Timbit boxes with confidence, as they are made right here in Canada by a 100% Canadian company. So let's clean house and take out the trash with this week's feature product, the Titan waste containers from M2 Professional. If you like this video, let us know in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.